Welcome to a GuidewireSI presentation on Enterprise Performance Management. In this video, we will highlight some of the capabilities of Oracle's leading cloud application called PBCS.
PBCS is an EPM tool based on the Hyperion planning platform that utilizes Essbase, a multidimensional OLAP database. This is why PBCS continues to be ranked a leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant. As I log into PBCS, I am using Oracle's leading cloud platform and security capabilities. Today, I'm logging into PBCS via a browser, but it could also be accessed from a mobile phone or tablet. In addition, PBCS is integrated with Microsoft applications using its SmartView add-in, which I'll demonstrate in a few minutes. In our conversations with CFOs, there are four main reasons they select PBCS to support their reporting and analysis needs. These include dashboards that present KPIs which are critical to monitor the business, the ability to dynamically slice and dice enterprise-wide information, real-time operational reporting, and an easy-to-use analytical tool to manage the life cycles of the budget and forecasting processes. On the homepage, users can view announcements or the most recent activity. Similar to your smartphone applications, the PBCS tools and functionalities can be accessed through the cards that you see on the right-hand side of the screen. Let's take a look at a dashboard. In this example, I've set up a dashboard to review four key KPIs. Demonstrated are some of the formats that you can use to show statistical, financial, sales, or operational information. One of the features of the dashboard is the ability to add complex formulas and calculations. As an example, we have an oil and gas company that's requiring to dynamically calculate its gross profit by well. This could be easily done by whether this company is a mine, a retail store, a manufacturer of red wagons, or children's apparel. Let me show you one more feature of the dashboard, which is the ability to dynamically drill down into greater levels of detail. This provides the ability to drill down to a specific data element. Next, let's demonstrate how you may easily slice and dice your company information using SmartView in Excel. Shown before you is a basic P&L statement that was built in a couple minutes. Using the SmartView add-in and by selecting the refresh button, I can easily pull data from PBCS into the worksheet. As you see at the top of the screen, there is a SmartView ribbon with ad hoc planning capabilities that allow users to drill in and out of data, pivot the POV, and launch calculations. I'm now going to manipulate the data on my worksheet, starting with the Keep Only function. Selecting only the data elements that I want to see, here I have the year's total data. Next, I just want to see net revenue, cost of goods sold, and gross profit. SmartView still allows me to utilize the same Excel functionality, such as remove rows. I can add data and elements, such as business unit, and place it into my row set. Then pivot my rows and columns for a better view of my business units. I can also drill into well-specific information. Again, this data can be seen by regions, SKUs, departments, or a combination of several data elements. Ultimately, SmartView provides finance teams with a dynamic way to slice and dice information and the ability to analyze their data in ways never before possible. SmartView also integrates to other Microsoft applications such as PowerPoint. This provides an easy and accurate way to update board packets, monthly decks, and presentations with the most recent data from PBCS, eliminating the need to manually type in data or refreshing linked information from an Excel worksheet that may be referencing an inaccurate version. So I will navigate to the Reports interface within PBCS. Another area of need with CFOs is the desire for real-time operational reporting. Here I'll launch a report that was built within the PBCS report writing tool. I can launch the report and view it in 3 different formats: HTML, PDF, or Excel. Here I've chosen Excel. We can also run these reports on demand or set to run at a predefined schedule or at regular intervals. The reports can also be bursted and set to be emailed out to other PBCS users. We can also bundle several reports into a single book with a table of contents. Additionally, PBCS can be leveraged to manage the life cycle of a budget or forecast process. I'm back at the home screen where you can see on the left-hand side are my announcements, and on the right-hand side are the cards that users can have access to. One of these cards opens my tasks. Tasks are defined and tailored for a specific user to follow in order to complete the forecast or budget cycle in PBCS. Across the top, you can see the status of all my tasks. This PBCS user has just 2 tasks to complete. These tasks can include instructions on what needs to be accomplished or how to complete a task. In this task, a web form is open so I can review forecast inputs from other users and make any adjustments as required. As an example, I'm reviewing the production estimates inputted by our company's field accountant. Based on information I know here at the corporate level, that this will undergo maintenance in the month of November, which will reduce operational output. Using the supporting detail functionality, starting out with the original data input, I'll add an additional line item to adjust the original number, type in my description, set my mathematical operator to subtract, and add in a number I want to reduce the number by. Notice the color change in the cell, denoting an update with supporting detail. I can also tag cells with commentation that can be viewed by other users, and they in turn can append their own comments. I'm going to mark this task as complete and then move on to my next task. In addition to using web forms to input data, you can use web forms to apply different forecasting methodologies. Companies can create and tailor their forecast methods to ensure that an analyst complies with the company's methodologies and principles when building out their forecasts or budgets. Now that I've updated my forecast and completed my tasks, I can open my dashboard and immediately see the forecast inputs in my dashboard. Appreciate your time. Hope you found this informative. For more information, go to our website, GuidewireSI.com, send us an email, or follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, or our YouTube channel, GuidewireSI, where we will be posting more videos on key EPM lessons and topics. Thank you.